Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to transplant pepper, tomatoes, or um, any other seedlings that you have. This is pepper that I planted about 3 weeks to a month ago. It's outgrown the container. I planted it in a little water bottle, so it's outgrown that. So I just gonna transplant it now to a bigger container. With my potting mix, and the container has drainage, so you just want to make sure that if you're planting in containers or any container should have drainage. So what we're gonna do is, once you fill up the container with your potting mixture, you just want to make sure that you make a hole in the middle like that. That is proportional to the amount of the container or the items you're gonna be transplanting. So now we're gonna take our, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so we're gonna take out what we're gonna plant. So we're gonna take out the one we're gonna plant, put the other one aside. So what you want to do is just make sure you put it deep enough so that it covers all the roots like that, and you just want to fill it in, make sure it's nice and sturdy like that, and then you water it. Once you're done watering it, then you can place it on the spot where it's gonna be, and just monitor it, and it should be okay from there on. Just make sure that you water it regularly. So that's it. That's how you transplant pepper or tomatoes or any other plant that you transplanting. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with friends and families, and also don't forget to subscribe.